Solve. Give exact answers and approximations to 3 decimal places. The hypotenuse of a 30-degree, 60-degree, 90-degree right triangle is 10 centimeters long. Find the lengths of the legs. So I've drawn on the board a 30, 60, 90 right triangle with a hypotenuse of 10 centimeters. And now what I want to remind us is if we have a generic 30, 60, 90 right triangle, that the sides come in the ratio of A, the square root of 3 times A, and 2A. So now when we compare, we see that 2A would have to be equal to 10, and therefore A is equal to 5. So when we go to our triangle, we now see in the comparison that this side would be 5 centimeters. This side would be the square root of 3 times 5. So let's write these in. Centimeters. And so now we can write that the shorter leg is 5 centimeters and the longer leg is exactly 5 times the square root of 3 centimeters, or in terms of our approximation, it is going to be equal to 8.66 centimeters. So let's write the solution. The shorter leg is 5 centimeters, and that's an exact answer. We don't need to approximate it. And the longer leg is exactly 5 square roots of 3 centimeters, or if we approximate that, 8.660 centimeters.